Hello everyone, let us continue with the analysis of portal frame. So this is the next problem of portal frame. So open the STAAD Pro, click on file, click on new project, select plane, give the name portal frame problem number 5, select the location of the file to be saved and the units, click on next. So add beam, next click on finish. Select the front view. So your node is starting from here, that is 0 0, x is 0, here y is 0. So you can, by using the cursor only, you can draw this frame. So first I will click on 0 0 node. Next second node is here, vertical is 4. I will click on the 4 meter node. Next here the BC number is 4 meter. Again, so the distance, the horizontal distance is 4 meter. Next CD is again, it is 4 meter. Click on here. Next close this window. You can see the frame. So for all the beams, the moment of inertia is I. So click on general. So you define the property, that is general 0.00001, or else you can give the cross section by selecting the rectangle, uniform cross section. So click on add, close. You can use, as this is moment of inertia is same for all the beams. I will click on assign to view. So whatever the beams you are seeing, it will be assigned to the all the beams. Click on assign. Yes. So now it is assigned. This is R1, reference number 1, reference number 1. Click on close. So next is support. This is pinned, and B and C will assume automatically the software will assume as fixed support. So click on support, create, pinned, click on add. So use this one, use cursor to assign, click on assign, click on A node and D node, close. Now you have assigned the property and the support condition. Next you have to assign the load. The load is on the member PC, that is vertical load, that is -12. It is acting at a distance of 2 meter from the starting node of the B. So click on loads and definitions, click on load case details, click on add, give the name load case 1, add, close. Select load case 1, click on add. So it is member load, that is concentrated force of value is -12, acting at a distance of D1 is 2 meter. It is acting along global y-axis. Click on add, close. Select this one, use cursor to assign, and select this beam. It is assigned now. So by clicking this one, you can see again the load. To view the load value, right click, labels. So please select the load values. Increase the load scale for the point load by 100. I will increase. It is very smooth. So now you are viewing the load. Next step is analysis and print. Here you are not printing any value, no print, add, close. Next select analyze, run analysis, save. So here 0 error is there. Go to post processing mode, done. Select the load case 1. In this you are having the load. Okay. Maximize this window. Now the deflection button is on. To automatically scale you have to click on this result setup, result view options, enable automatic scaling for shear, bending, apply. Okay. Now it is automatically scaled. So this is the bending moment diagram. So to view the result, click on results, view value, beam results, bending moment at ends and midpoint, or else you want maximum, you can click on that one. Click on annotate, close. Let us verify the results. So here it is, this is the bending moment, this is 3.6, and here midpoint 8.4, positive bending moment 3.6, and here it is midpoint 1.8. So it is correct. Similarly, we will verify the reactions here. The horizontal reaction at the support in A is 0.9, vertical reaction is 6. Here also 6, here 0.9. Let us see this result also. Click on reactions. So now you are seeing the reactions. Horizontal reaction X is 0.9, vertical reaction is 6. There is no bending moment here. Mx, My, Mz movement all are 0. Here horizontal reaction is -9, vertical reaction is 6. So if you want to
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
Now you are viewing the reactions. So click on results, view value, your reactions, global. Like the reactions are only vertical and horizontal. You can unclick this global Z, show lines. So you can increase the scale by some value, annotate. So it is very, very small. So let us decrease this one by 50, annotate. Still it is more. Now you are viewing the reactions. So see the reaction here 6, here also 6. Vertical reaction. And this is 0.9, this is -9. So you can take the picture of this one. You can reduce till now you can see the reaction. This is moving right side plus value. This is -9. So you can take the picture of this one. Here edit, take picture. You can give the name for all. So even for the modeling also you can take the picture. So let us increase the scale. Labels. So you can take this picture, edit, take picture. You can give the name, picture number 1, anything. Next after this one, go to post processing mode where the results are there. First you take the bending moment here and the results, beam results, ends and midpoint, annotate close. You take the picture of this one. After taking all the picture, you know how to export the report. By export report to the Word file, first you have to set up that the report setup, which are the results you want output. Your output file. If you have saved the picture, that will also come here. Like this, you have to analyze the problem. So let us end the class. In the next class, we'll continue the some more problems.